A majority of the world is currently in party mode, lots of good food, laughter, great conversation, just people having fun. But soon enough, shortly after that, we're all going to need to detox, okay? So I'm bringing you a natural remedy for when that time comes in a few weeks. So I have my sorrel, hibiscus, or Soobolo petals, powerful antioxidant, soaked in some water. Now I'm combining some whentia or greens of selim, some cloves, black peppercorns, and I'm just going to give them a very light crush. And these spices are all very potent detox ingredients. 1 star anise gets added, and that's it for the spices. Next, you'll need some vitamin C fortification with some citrus, so I'm using some lemon and lime, as well as some pineapple peels. Yeah, don't throw those away. They are powerful detox ingredients. Next step is to remove the hibiscus petals from the water they were soaking in and add it to the pot. Include your spices and then add some ginger as well. I have cut the ginger into very thick pieces. I'm just giving them a light crush as well to make for a swifter extraction of their properties. And that is all she wrote. Add it to the pot, and now we're going to add some hot boiling water. I do not want to overcook this tea, so I just add some hot water and I steep it off of the range, no flame. All right, give it about 15 minutes. You come back and you have a tea that is great for cleansing, for detoxing, full of vitamin C, antioxidants, antibacterial properties, antifungal properties, antiviral properties, friends. And when you've had that party, you've filled your system with all that great food, and it's time for you to detox, this is your go-to. You can have it as a tea. It is recommended that you have this hot, all right, friends? And you can add a sweetener to it, or you can just have it as is. This tea is fortified with loads of vitamin C, so it presents with a tartness in its taste, friends. You may have it sweetened or unsweetened. A little bit of organic honey or any sweetener of choice will help to tone down that tartness, and it's ready to be sipped on, friends. It is delicious too. Thank you so much for watching, for liking the video, for sharing and subscribing. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.